Hi guys, my name is Rushant. This tutorial is here to show you how to draw some basic shapes in Python using Turtle library. In previous class, we learned how to download our Visual Studio Code and Python in Visual Studio Code, right? So, let's start our code to draw shapes easily basic. So, first step is to search the Visual Studio Code or simply VS Code. VS Code. Then it will give yes. Visual Studio Code. I will open it by clicking left. Yes, it is opening. Yes, the circle is rotating like this. Yeah, it opened. Now we have to open our blocks YouTube folder to write our coding. So files, open folder, new folder. Blocks YouTube is here. I will open my old folder. Just click this file plus symbol and create as basic shapes. shapes.py. .py is the extension for Python. This is the Python logo and enter. The file will be open in seconds. Open faster. Yes, it opened. Now we will do our coding here only. So first we have to import the turtle library to do all our code, right? Import turtle and ending turtle.done and brackets. In that I will create a pen, uh, rush.pen, because we have to give some basic name, right? Not Rushant full name, big name. Okay, rush dot turtle dot capital turtle and brackets and enter. It will be sort out in seconds. And we have to do the code to first what the basic shape first we will do is why rush is not then I will give another name, huh? Oh, my mistake. Is equals rush is equals to turtle, and I will create a simple basic shape is line. Line is a basic and simple to do. First rush dot what dot what I have to give to move it. I have to give move or anything else. It will be a move command is called forward and brackets. How much forward we have to go? 100. Then I will run it. Run. The terminal was open right now, so it will take some time. Yes, it is running. See, fastly. Basic shapes. Yeah, we got our line. So, we got our line in only one direction, right? Now, we will make it to turn also. So, for turning, there is a function called left and right also. Rush dot left, left, rush dot left. And how much left we want to turn? It will be 90 and it will be straight now. Like this. I will show you. Like this straight. We got like this. Now we will make this, and this one also. I will run it and I will see the result. We have to wait and see it worked or not. Yes, it turned from here to here. Then I will make it to turn like this. Again slow but left side. 180. 180 and okay, run it. Yes, it worked. It worked. See, it went like that. Now we will make it to be some more like 270 to make it down. 270. Enter. Run key, right? In HTML, I have to click enter and save. In Python, run. Yes, it went down, and we will make the cross also. Cross. Cross like 90 half is 45, so 45 and run. Then we will got one cross. Yes, we got one cross here, and 45 to 145. 145. Check it. If it worked or not. We have to see that only. Yes, it worked. And 245, 245. If it worked or not. Yes, it also worked. And 345. 345 line numbers. Yes, it also worked. Then we will make another basic shape, which is cube. I will make it to be 90 again, and we will use a loop in range, which is for loop, for count in range, for count in range, and brackets, colon, enter, and we have to give indent space like this. Tab. When we click the tab, we will get index space directly. Then I will give the range is to be 4 because our square have 4 sides, right? And I will run it. Our square will be ready in seconds. Yes. See, I told you, no? In 5 seconds it completed. And now I will make some circle. Circle is also our basic structure. Then we have to give 180. 180 will be half circle. 180 and left wants to be 9 and forward also 1. Then only it will make our circle. 2 also we can give, but it will make some wider. Not wider, bigger. Like if we give 2, it will come like this. Now it will come like this. No, it will go like that. But my circle is not gooder than that, right? It will do half 180. Yes, it made it. And now I will give it to be 180 to 90. We will try 90. Half like that. 90 will be so small, like a part of an apple. Yes, 4 parts will be there in apple and 1 part we got. And we will make another part with 270. 270. It is another part and it will also three parts. This is three parts, not one. 90 is 1, 180 is 2, and 270 is 3. And 360 means a whole apple. See, it will stop there. Yes. Now we will make our 360 and we will increase the speed of it also. I will tell you how to increase speed. There is a command called speed. Rush dot speed. How much speed we want? It is very slow like 1. Yes, set to 0. Speed string are mapped to speed values in following way. Fastest 0 fast, 10 normal, 6 slow, 3 slowest, 1 speeds from to 10. 0 is fast. I will try 0. 0 is faster. Oh my god. I will try it. No, no, it is still slower only. I will close it and I will make it to be 10. And it will go some faster or slow only now. Then also slow. Okay, we will wait until it completed. We given speed also it not completing. Why? Speed command will not work in circles. I have to tell because the circle is one like that it will turn. So it will not effort more speed because it have turn one. Like I will show you. It have to turn one and forward one, turn one, 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 forward one. Like that, it have to go right. Then it will take some specific time to do that all. So we have to wait. Yes, it is in my talks only it was completed full circle of 360. Yeah. And we can increase the width of it also by using a command. We don't need this width. Width 5 I will give, or 10 only will be good. No, I don't know how much thicker it will be for 10. Bob, Bob. This much thicker. No, 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 I don't want it. I want it to be 5 only. I am stopping it in middle only, right? There will be some errors given, but there is not our coding error. That will be the program we ended first. See, it is some thicker and it is looking good like a face, like my face. Circle. No, no, egg. Egg will be good. Yes, we get it like a good circle, and we will make triangle. Triangle will be three sides, 100 pixels forward, and left will be 2. Oh no, 60, 60, 60, 60 like that. Oh, wait. It will not go. Yes, I thought that first only. 60 will not be. 270 only. 270. It will work guaranteely. Huh? Oh, it worked very differently. Then 270 also not. Then it have to come like this, like this, like this. Right? Then I have to make it to be 90. 90 will not be. It will make straight like this. 60, 60, 60, 70, 70, 70. Then 180. 180 will take, I think. 180, 180. 180 will not also work. Sorry. Oh, wow. A single line. 180 will not work means then 145 or 160, 60, 160. What is that? It definitely work not. Then I will give one and only option, that is 100. Again we will give 120 also. If this work some closely, and we will give 120. Yes, it worked some close. And now we will give 120. It will work guarantee. I can surely tell that. 120. Yeah, finally I got my triangle. See how good it is. Like a simple straight line triangle. Bus completed. And this is all about making some basic shapes. So if you like it, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon and like icon. Bye bye. See you later in next video. Bye guys.